Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Drug and alcohol abuse, also known as substance use disorder, is a persistent condition where individuals struggle to control their drug and alcohol consumption despite experiencing harmful consequences. Developing an appropriate treatment plan tailored to the individual's needs is crucial when addressing drug and alcohol abuse, and drug and alcohol assessments play a vital role in this process. These assessments can be conducted by healthcare professionals, counsellors, or addiction specialists. They involve gathering detailed information about the individual's substance use patterns, behaviours, and the impact drugs and alcohol have had on their life. Understanding the underlying factors contributing to the individual's substance misuse is a key aspect of the assessment process. These factors can include stress, trauma, co-occurring mental health issues, family history of substance abuse, environmental triggers, and social influences. To use our drug and alcohol assessment, follow these steps. Download our drug and alcohol assessment from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Individuals answer a series of questions on the template, reflecting on their drug and alcohol consumption habits, the reason for use, and any negative consequences experienced. The assessment may inquire about the individual's family history of substance use disorders and their mental health background to understand potential risk factors. Individuals are encouraged to provide honest and open responses to the template. The assessment is confidential, ensuring a safe environment for sharing information. For those who require assistance, a healthcare professional can guide individuals through the assessment, clarifying doubts and providing support. After completing the assessment, healthcare professionals analyze the responses to evaluate the presence and severity of substance use disorders. Based on the findings, appropriate treatment and support recommendations are provided. Here is a sample of our drug and alcohol abuse, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our drug and alcohol abuse, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.